Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Braidwood, local, and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to work with us gives you the options you need for your long-distance move, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and one-time move and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate out of state or across the country, you need the right long-distance movers. We provide just what you need to make your move simple. Our team will show up in time and get to work to make things easier for you. If you're looking to move locally, hire an Illinois moving company, and it might just be a great idea. Maybe you don't look forward to lifting up all the boxes and furniture you have into a moving truck. With the help of the best local moving companies, you don't have to do any heavy lifting. 3 movers can even help you with packing and unpacking. Our team can make your move so much easier. We give you the best options for your move, even when you're just moving a few streets over. If you want a faster and easier local move, it's time to hire the top Braidwood moving company. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Braidwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.